Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. If you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Tanisha and I make videos on beauty, fashion and makeup. Today's video I'm gonna share with you 3 eye makeup looks that would be sufficient for you to cover all your festive and wedding days. So in this video I'll be sharing with you a soft glam look, a kohl eye look and a glittery makeup look. And I feel इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आपको कोई और आई मेकअप लुक की वीडियो नहीं देखनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि इसके अंदर वो तीनों लुक्स हैं जो आप बहुत इजीली रिक्रिएट कर सकते हो एंड हर ओकेजन के साथ वो बहुत अच्छे से जाते हैं. So I guess without further ado, let's get into the video.
So my base is ready, and firstly we're gonna do a soft glam eye makeup look. So for that I'm gonna take a pink eyeshadow and apply it all over my lids as my base shade. You can take any other light color shade as well. After that I'm gonna take a shimmery shade and start applying it from the inner corners of my lid, and then using a fluffy brush I'm gonna blend it out. You just have to follow 2 steps to achieve this look. Firstly, take a base shade and over that just apply a shimmery shade using your finger, and that's it. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the same pink eyeshadow and apply it on my lower lash line. Lastly, I'm gonna do a not so very thick winged eyeliner. And then it's up to you if you want to apply a black kajal or not, but just make sure that you apply a lot of mascara. And lastly I'm gonna apply a pink shade lipstick and my look is done. Next we're gonna do a kohl eye makeup look. So for that I'm gonna take an orange shade or a nude shade and start applying it all over my lids. Next I'm gonna take a black kajal and start applying it just like I apply my eyeliner. And then I'm gonna apply it on my lower waterline as well. I'll do the same thing on my other eye as well. Then I'll take some brown shade and I'll start smudging my kajal. I'll do the same thing on my lower waterline as well. Next I'm gonna apply some mascara. Lastly I'm gonna apply this beautiful shade from NY Bay, and my look is ready. Last look is a glittery eye makeup look. So for that I'm gonna do my base as per the color of my sari. So my sari has 2 colors, one is green and other is blue. So I'll apply the blue shade below the crease, and above the crease I'm gonna apply a green eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna take a green shimmery shade and start applying it around my brow bones. And then using a fluffy brush I'm gonna blend it out. Next I'm gonna take a golden liquid eyeshadow and I'll start applying it all over my lid. This look could be very easily achieved using 3 simple steps. Firstly, apply the base eyeshadow same as the color of your outfit, and then apply a shimmery shade round your brow bones, and then start applying your liquid glittery eyeshadow all over your lids. Just make sure that you apply your liquid glittery eyeshadow rather than using the loose ones, as the liquid one is quite easy to apply and you can get the look in just a few minutes. So next I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow on my lower waterline as well, and then I'll apply a black kajal over it. I'll complete my look by applying a lot of mascara and this beautiful shade from Bellora Paris, and my look is done. Look how beautiful it looks. So guys, that was it for my today's video. I hope you guys liked all the 3 looks. We'll meet in the next video with more festive related content. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.